What's up, guys? It's Maverick Mithune. Do you have that golf shot for the windy, gusty conditions? Come check this out. Right now, the wind is 20 miles. Right now, the wind is 20 miles an hour, but with gusting at 34-mile-an-hour winds. All right, my target is the blue pin. It's 124 yards. Looks like we have about 2 to 3 clubs of hurt wind. I'm using my 6-iron. First shot I'm going to hit is a low draw. Anywhere on the green here is perfect for a 2-putt. All right, looks like I hit that shot just inside 5 feet. The next shot I'm going to hit is a low cut. The conditions seem about the same, so let's see what could happen. All right, looks like that low cut just got inside 8 feet. It's a pretty good shot. Seems like the conditions, the wind has kind of died down a little bit. Now I'm gonna come with a high draw. See what happens. Draw. Draw, 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 draw. All right, not a bad shot. It's about 20 feet to the right of the pin. Still decent look for birdie. But I hit a pretty good high draw, but that's what happens when you get the high in the wind. I think I gust caught it. But we still got 20 feet look for birdie. But the next shot I'm going to hit is a high cut. Let's see what happens. All right, hit a pretty good high cut. It was a perfect line, but it looks like it's 15 feet short. But that's what happened again. If a high cut, sometimes we can grab it. But let's go check them out. All right, these shots are a lot closer than I thought. Looks like the closest one is 5 feet. Looks like this one's 8 feet. This one's 15. That one's 21 feet. Very pleased with how I did. I think I can keep that chip up and down. But yeah, very pleased. I had 124 yards. I used my 6-iron and 2 to 3 club wind. So I'm very happy. And my lowest shots are the closest compared to my high shots, because hitting a lower ball is way more consistent than hitting a high ball into the wind. But make sure you have all your shots, because you never know when you use them in this big gust of wind. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Peace!